Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today this is crypto everything, and I quickly want to give you an update on the Sui. Okay, so we have been anticipating the Sui airdrop. Okay, so there has been several talks out there that there won't be an airdrop. Okay, but here is some here to give you closure on the matter. Okay, so but before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So like every week I try to post crypto related content, so airdrops where you get to get free money. Okay, so if you think that is interesting and sounds good to you, why not subscribe to my channel and watch through my videos. Okay, so I made some videos, a lot of videos that you can watch and get some value from. Okay, so this Sui testnet video and everything, I did some videos about it a while ago. Okay, so I've done like 2 videos already. So I did an update about this, and I did it before previously, so I made a video. So I keep making updates on the video. So if you have been following me, then you have been doing all the necessary things. Okay, so here back to what I wanted to show you today. So this is the tweet about Sui, about the Sui possible airdrop. Okay, so it talks about there being a token. Okay, so as you can see, in addition to the Sui Foundation efforts, Sui community members will be able to purchase the Sui tokens in the early stages of Sui mainnet. Okay, so this is strictly for those of people that have been participating in the Sui testnet and all that stuff. So they will give them access to the tokens early before every other person. Okay, so and they will get Sui and so back. Okay, so moving down to this part, you can see it says here, these tokens will also support community members who have interacted and tested Sui apps to help Sui ecosystem during the devnet and the testnet phases. Okay, so what this says right here is there's gonna be a token. Okay, previously they didn't talk about a token. Okay, now it tells us right here there's gonna be a token, and this token is gonna be there's gonna be a reward for people that used the devnet and the testnet, and this is exactly what we have been doing with the past videos and Sui videos. Okay, and there is more. Okay, so if you scroll down here, as you can see, it says right here, for Sui friends who are already spreading knowledge about Sui, onboarding developers onto Sui, and testing and helping refine the product experience of Sui's current applications, note that Sui Foundation is here for you. The foundation will make sure you are part of Sui's token allocation once mainnet is launched. Okay, so we all know now from this that there's going to be some kind of reward. We don't know if it's going to be an airdrop, but obviously it's going to be an airdrop. But this goes to show that there's going to be a reward for those that did the testnet, okay, and did the mainnet, the devnet. Okay, so thanks to Crypto Telego for giving us this information. So if you have been doing the testnet and be doing the devnet, which what we have been doing, lots of people will be complaining that during the devnet, why doing the interacting with all of the apps, and then maybe you come back tomorrow and then it is wiped. Okay, that is what devnet is. So devnet, actually you get to you declare it out once in a while. So when they get to mainnet, that is not going to happen anymore. But right now the testnet, this first testnet phase is over, so we are moving out to the next wave 2. That is what we're waiting for. But the devnet is still available, so you can do this devnet, and hopefully the snapshot has not been taken yet, because they don't say anything about the snapshot, so you can actually do this. So I'm going to reiterate, I'm going to go back to some of the dApps that you can interact with, and to show you what you need to do to secure yourself for a possible airdrop. See here, it says here that 20% of the distribution is going to go to early contributors, and in my own perspective, early contributors are those that are early testers. Okay, so if you're a tester, testnet, devnet, okay, OG roles on Telegram, Discord and all that, those are early testers. Okay, so that is one way for you to be an early contributor. Also, there's community access program and app testers. Okay, if you're an app tester, those apps that are built on Sui. Okay, so if you're an app tester, so there's 6% still belongs to you. So we do not know how they're going to do it, if it's going to be on mainnet, if it's going to be for testers on mainnet or testnet or devnet. Okay, but we know that we are actually secure because we interacted with some of those dApps before this announcement came out. Okay, so as you can see, this is just the allocation of this. Okay, so this right here, it just goes to show you that somehow there's going to be a reward for those that did the testnet and the devnet. So don't be discouraged anytime you get the chance to do this airdrop. Just try to interact with Sui. Just take it out, just take time to do it, okay, because at the end of the day it might be profitable to you. Okay, so basically I wouldn't want to go back to recapping about or doing all of the things that we need to do in the video, but I could just show you a few things to do. But then I would love to refer you to my video. If you haven't watched this video, Sui airdrop update, okay, so you can go watch that video. That goes to show you all that I did to secure myself for the Sui possible airdrop. Okay, so but basically what you need is a Sui wallet or a Suet wallet. Okay, so there are two different wallets, but they actually hold the same kind of coins. Okay, so some dApps are available on the Suet, while some are just available on the Sui. Okay, so if you are here in the app, okay, so these are some of the apps that you can interact with. So just click over to the app section and you can see some of the apps that we actually interacted with in the video that we talked about. Okay, so there's Cappy and there's Sui NFT, means there's Sui name service, there's Go Beef, there's Ethos, this is a tile game, and this is Keepsake, and there's others. Okay, and if you go to Suet actually has a different one. There's MoveX in Suet. Okay, so if you go over here on this is a Suet app, just move down to the app section. You can come down here and you can see some decks. So this is MoveX, this is Araya, Sui Swap, and Turbo. So these are some of the dApps that are not on Sui that are on Suet. So you can use both apps interchangeably. Okay, so like I said, if you want to get the full details about how to use these apps, just come over here and watch my video, and make sure you do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on updates like this. And my Telegram channel link is going to be in the description below, or you can come over to my channel and click this Telegram handle right here. It's going to take you down to my Telegram, and make sure you do check it out and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out. Like and subscribe to this video. If there's any more information I'm going to put it down in my Telegram channel, so please join me. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye.